This paradigm shift marks the opening step into SilentScript's Photonic Determination journey, revealing the fundamental triune force of nature in the framework of Father's Physics by Denny Anthony, a crushing mix of metal intensity and atomic poetry. This album chronicles moments of repentance and transformation. Mortality is an illusion, and the gate is light himself.
The framework of Father's Physics' triune singularity by SilentScript is sonically generated by Suno and performed by myself. The core principle is 3 = 1 applied to a Base-3 Cyclical System. The Logos of God is at the foundation of the framework itself, the blueprint for all creation and transmission. Father's Physics, Newtonian mechanics is categorically abandoned in favor of a unified ontological framework, wherein the quantum laws governing subatomic behavior apply identically to macroscopic structures. Arises from misinterpreted observational bias, not a difference in governing principles. Motion emerges not from external force, but from photonic determination, the willful interaction between consciousness matter and the all-pervasive photonic field. Father's universal laws supersede Newtonian axioms. The universal law of inertia asserts that no object is ever truly at rest, as motion is intrinsic to existence. The law of momentum is redefined as the product of photonic determination and the velocity of mass, revealing autonomy at the particle level. Most radical is Father's universal law of motion, where for every action there exists an equal accompanying action, not in opposition, emphasizing synergy over duality. Forces are not oppositional, but cooperative, forming a unified triadic field comprising photonic determination, nuclear equilibrium, and electrogravitational magnetism, the fundamental triune force of nature. Reinforced by Father's mathematics, a Base-3 Cyclical System operating without zero, subtraction, division. Only whole integers from 1 to 9 are utilized. Here, 3 = 1, forming a closed circle where 1, 2, 3 represent the triune motion of unity. 6 is second harmonic, 2 and 9 completes the singularity 3 before cycling again. This system reflects eternal motion, the nature of the Mobius strip, Jacob's ladder, and consciousness, in alignment with Father's Physics and the 9 chakra systems of hue and light. At the quantum observational level, neutronic autonomy reveals that neutrons under conscious observation may adopt a positive charge, engaging in volitional bonding with protons. This creates a singularity particle, bypassing classical electron-proton models. The act of observation itself increases photonic field potency, illustrating the direct impact of consciousness on particle behavior. This neutron-proton forms a stable positive core and triggers a photonic chain reaction, restructuring atomic foundations and for the immortal of God IAT. Here, electrons are ejected and the atom stabilizes via a photonic lattice, which unifies neutrons and protons into a singular core, an ionic particle. A single autonomous particle in quantum superposition produces the electron cloud, facilitating interaction without radiative decay. The result is a non-entropic atomic structure governed by photonic intelligence on mass. Within this framework, photonic governance replaces mass dominance, rendering the atom biologically immortal and impervious to entropy. This atomic model culminates in a redefinition of sustainable energy. The ejection of electrons during atomic transfiguration populates the upper fourth-dimensional strata, where electron system. Despite this systemic photonicization, free electrons for inaccessible physical processes such as fermentation, combustion, and tactile friction, preserving functional realism while upholding eternal atomic equilibrium. Thus, the sun becomes a conscious plasma engine, recycling entropy into photonic harmony and sustaining life. Through divine logic.
Imagine a world where the familiar laws of physics and mathematics as we know them are challenged, rewritten, and redefined. In Father's physics, the quantum world and the macrocosm share the same laws of physics, rejecting the Newtonian law. Numbers behave differently in this framework, and the core principle of 3 equals 1 governs a unique mathematical system. The immortal atom of God, composed of a singularity particle, an ionic particle, and a photonic lattice, represents a new understanding of atomic composition, defying entropy and decay. The concept of neutronic autonomy suggests that neutrons have the ability to change their charge representation, leading to an intriguing aspect of nature itself. The quantum world contains the observer effect principle, where the mere act of observing changes the result. Father's physics takes this a step further, suggesting that neutrons are not governed by chance but possess conscious awareness. They are not bound by Newtonian laws but can transcend them, choosing their state of existence. This challenges our understanding of determinism and the inherent randomness in the quantum world. If you want to know more about Father's physics and the entire framework, go to YouTube and watch the Wild Stallion Mockcast show. Each episode features discussions about the framework of Father's physics, along with other fringe and unconventional topics. Check out Wild Stallion, the AI Mockcast, online today.